I tried to meditate and this frog is yelling at me for dominance. He got right up to the fucking tent and started yelling at me. And I could feel him doing what the crows do. It's just a part of nature. They all yell at you. Bitch! Hey, you heard it? You're gonna stop. You're gonna stop yelling at me and you're gonna go down the river to where the frogs are and you're gonna find a fucking frog wife. Okay? I don't know if you've heard about rivers, but they all travel in one direction. So you're gonna stop trying to fight me for sexual dominance. And you're gonna float downstream, motherfucker. I thought that those flowers were an alien. Yeah, how do you like it? You fucking accuser of the brethren. Hey, I'm talking here. What? Stop. How do you like it? You don't, right? Fuck me. Somebody fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Somebody fuck me. My land, my land, my land, my swamp, my swamp, my swamp, my swamp, my swamp. My swamp, my swamp, my swamp. My swamp. My swamp. My swamp. My swamp. My swamp. Not your swamp, my swamp. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you too. I'm like Mr. Doolittle. I'm ancient. I'm Lord Doolittle. Hey, Robert Downey Jr. played Doctor Doom and Doctor Doolittle. Isn't that cool? Where's my cigarettes? Where's my smokes? Did I put them in my backpack? Yes, I did. Let's get to the river before my flashlight ends. Oh, I love sand. I love sand. Oh, God. Hey, it's my swamp. Watch, I'm gonna pee on you to prove it. I see your eyes. What's all these, like, sand particles in the air?